How are you, Mick? Camera shy. Camera shy, the Mick. Camera shy, the Mick. See that what white color? Wow. Beautiful color of Mick. Hello, Mick. Mick. Hello, Mick. This side, please. Mick. This side, please. Mick is not talking at all. He's just moving his tail. That's how he communicates. And whenever he's hungry, he will just make this sound. That's Mick.